Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CR-V fog light. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few common tools. Before we begin, make sure you have your new fog light or bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Safety first, so park your vehicle on a flat surface and turn off the engine. Let's get started. Now, let's get to the fog light itself. First, turn your front wheel all the way inward, either to the left or right, depending on which side you're working on. This gives you crucial access to the wheel well. Next, you'll need to remove about 2 or 3 screws from the fender liner, typically Phillips head. Then, use a trim removal tool to pop out 2 plastic clips. Once those are out, you can gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly. With the fog light exposed, it's time for removal. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Press the small locking tab and pull the connector straight off. Now, gently twist the bulb counterclockwise, usually about a quarter turn, to unlock it from the housing. Once unlocked, pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb, align its tabs with the housing, push it in, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely into place. Before fully reassembling, let's test your new fog light. Reconnect the electrical wire harness to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, turn on your vehicle's headlights, then activate the fog lights to confirm they illuminate correctly. Once confirmed, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position. Finally, reinstall all the screws and plastic clips you removed earlier to secure the fender liner. Great job! You've successfully replaced your fog light.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.